we should acknowledge that this is a jubilee year of hope, di ba? Our beloved Pope Francis declared this year as a jubilee year of hope. And so there is so much hope indeed that is in our experiences, in the events that are happening. And what is my hope for these newly elected officers? First of all, is to commit themselves to the real service for our people, for true development, progress, unity, and peace. Secondly, I hope that they will do away with political bickerings, colors, but rather that they work together as true public servants of our community. Because if there is anything that becomes an obstacle or what we call this a reason for despair in public service, it is always when officials continue to flaunt their political preferences, or their partisan politics becomes in fact a stumbling block rather than the opportunity for service, the time that is given them, short though it may be an opportunity really to provide our people with jobs, our environment with new hope, the community be able to overcome the various social ills and difficulties, problems that we are facing. Poverty, for example, unemployment, lack of peace, drug addiction, and all that, security and peace. I hope our local leaders can really work together as friends, as brothers, and I'm sure the community will benefit much from that.